How to open Lloyds Bank account for international students. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can open an LS Bank account online in the UK as an international student. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the LS Bank official website, lsbank.com. Once you're on the homepage, go to the menu section. From there, navigate to Current Accounts and then select Student Accounts. After clicking on that, scroll down a little and you'll be able to see the different account options available. Here, you'll find details about what each plan includes. The student account is designed for full-time students aged 17 or over. It offers free everyday banking along with an interest-free arranged overdraft of up to £1,500 during years 1 to 3 and up to £2,000 during years 4 to 6. To continue, click on Ready to Apply. This will move you further down the page where you need to click Continue on the website. At this stage, you'll see a QR code. You can scan this using your phone because identity verification requires your phone's camera. Next, the application will ask if you are an existing customer and whether you already have a UK current account. After that, agree to the privacy policy and terms shown on the screen. Now begin entering your personal details. Make sure all the information matches exactly with the details on your identification documents. After that, type in your address or postcode and click Next. You'll then be asked whether you are in full-time education. Select Yes if you are a full-time student. Next, enter your monthly income after deductions, followed by your total savings amount. The form will also ask whether you are a tax resident outside the UK. If you are, simply select your country from the list. Moving forward, you'll need to provide some household information, such as whether you have a partner or spouse, whether you rent or own your home, and if your accommodation is council housing. You'll now see different account options. Choose the one you prefer. For example, the Classic account is free to use. Click Find Out More, review the details, and then click Select. Next, read through the account terms carefully and agree to continue. The bank will then begin checking your application. After that, create your username and choose a secure password, then click Agree to proceed. Once verification is completed and everything checks out, your LS Bank student account will be successfully created. If you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.